Hello, Cancer, Sun and Rising and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. So, tingnan natin kung ano mga messages ninyo for today. We have the Ace of Pentacles. This is an abundance and prosperity energy, Cancer. So, napakaganda. Kasi an Ace as well is a new beginning, you know? So, meron kayong sisimulang bagong ganap. Now, there is a new chapter in your life that you are going to start, no? In the next few days at yan ay related no sa inyong kaperahang aspeto, sa inyong pera, sa inyong finances, sa inyong trabaho, career, negosyo, or investments no. So depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon kung alin diyan specific area yung magkakaroon kayo ng gagawin, no? So, iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon. So, kayo lang ang tayong makakaalam, no? Kung alin dyan. Kung ikay magbabago ng trabaho or magbabago ka ba ng career path, maybe there is an opportunity that you're going to take advantage of na dati nagtatrabaho ka, but maybe there is a new career, no, na ino-offer sa'yo. Baka ikaw ay magiging entrepreneur na, ayaw mo nang magtrabaho, gusto mo nang magnegosyo, di ba? Ay, may mga ganun ba? Or other things, no? So, but na-related sa inyong money, career, and finances. So, now is the start of an abundant and prosperous life ninyo, Cancer. Merong opportunities dito na magkakaroon kayo ng pera. It's either makareceive kayo ng cold cash dito that could come from various sources. Pwedeng panalo, winnings, pwedeng meron ditong dadating na pamana, inheritance, pwedeng meron dadating na windfall of money, or pwedeng payout, diba? Retirement money, merong magbabayad ng utang sa inyo. So, regardless kung saan man manggagaling ang perang ito, this money is going to give you an opportunity to reshape, no? Kumbaga, yung inyong financial landscape. So, ito na yung simula ng pag-aayos ninyo sa inyong kaperahang aspeto. Okay? At ito na yung simula ng continuous inflow of abundance. So, we also have the star. Wow, wishes are coming true. Cancer, maaaring yung wish ninyo is abundance and prosperity, 'di ba? To come into your life at maaaring yan talaga ay mangyari. Yan talaga ay maaaring dumating na. So, parang things are going to be balance na sa ngayon, Cancer. Maaaring magiging maayos na talaga ang bawat area ng buhay ninyo sa ngayon. At yan ay nakatulong sa inyo, no? Yung pagiging hopeful ninyo, you really have that strong faith in God at positive, no? Very positive kayo. Siguro you've been practicing positivity, positive mindset, no? Positive lang talaga yung iniisip at nararamdaman ninyo yung ganon. So, there is also a new beginning energy dito kay Star. Kaya, si Ace din, new beginning din, diba? So, talagang maaring may mga ilang areas of life kayo na magbabago sa ngayon or sisimulan ninyong baguhin ang sitwasyon or kalagayan ninyo from that. No? So, this is really beautiful. So, what else? We also have the world. Wow. So, this is also a new beginning energy. So, this is very exciting na sitwasyon ninyo. Kasi the world is also beginning. So, ibig sabihin, meron ding magtatapos dito. Kaya kayo magsisimula ng bago because merong something na tinapos nyo na or tatapusin nyo na. Diba? So, this is accomplishment time. This is also achievement time in your life. So, it's either task ninyo ito sa trabaho, pwede rin pag-aaral, no? Baka meron kayong, baka mag-graduate na kayo, or pwede rin na meron ditong long-term project na ginagawa kayo, no? Na finally matatapos mo na. Finally, it's gonna come to its completion na. Kaya panahon talaga ito ng ano ninyo, ng accomplishments, no? So, yun, this is a time of success. no? This is a very successful period in your life, very successful time in your life as well. So, congratulations sa inyo. And this also is about travel. Kaya po pwedeng ang iba sa inyo is going to travel somewhere. Po pwedeng yung travel na to travel abroad. No? Po pwedeng ganun din ang ganap dito for some of you. Alright? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga kaganapan dito for Cancer. So we also have the Joan of Arc, voice of truth, stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. Okay? So, ilabas mo. Sabihin mo, put your thoughts and your emotions and feelings into words. Okay? Ano ka, tatagan mo ang inyong loob, no? Tibayan mo ang inyong loob, no? Stand strong kasi baka meron ditong mga taong nangi-intimidate sa'yo. Maaaring merong mga taong chine-challenge ka, you know. So, as long as you know your truth, as long as you know kung ano ang convinced ka sa pinaniniwalaan mo, alam mo na yung pinaniniwalaan mo ay tama, nasa rason ka, ipaglaban mo yan. Alright? So, what else? We have Lord Ganesh, infinite abundance. Wow. So we have obstacles are being removed, spiritual support and connections are increasing. Ayan. So makikita mo, mararamdaman mo rito yung suporta, no? Hindi lang ng mga tao sa paligid mo, kundi ng spirit realm. Okay? Mararamdaman mo siguro kasi madasalin ka din talaga. Maybe you are always seeking for help and guidance from the divine universe and the rest of your spirit team. Kaya mararamdaman mo dito yung spiritual support. Okay? And also, this is infinite abundance, no? So, meron tayong abundance card, and this is also an infinite abundance. Kaya, most likely, dito Cancer, marami ang pwedeng dadating na biyaya sa'yo. Hindi lang ito pangkaperahan, kundi this could be spiritual support, this could be love, you know, this could be different things, no, that will come in abundance. We have Mercury, open communication. Ayan, get a weight off your chest. Speak up with love and be heard. Ayan na nga. So, this is related to the energy of Joan of Arc na voice of truth. Sabi dito, get a weight off your chest. Kasi, kaya kailangan ninyo na ilabas, no? You need to put your feelings and emotions and thoughts into words para iparating mo sa mga tao na kailangan nilang marinig ang kung ano man ang opinion mo, ano man ang nasa loobin mo, ano man ang iniisip mo. Para na, with that, para na matanggal na din yung bigat, no, sa dibdib mo, para na ma-release mo na ang tension, ma-release mo na yung stress, ma-release mo na yung bigat sa loob na bitbit mo. Kaya it's important for you to express, 'di ba, what your truth is. Express kung ano nararamdaman mo. Express kung ano yung laman ng isip mo. Okay? So, good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.